Good afternoon, class. Today we discuss about some chemists and their discoveries. Now we first discuss about Mendeleev. Dmitry Mendeleev was a Russian chemist. He born in 1834. In 1869, he pronounced that properties of element are periodic function of their atomic weight. This is called periodic law, and arranged the element in increasing order of their atomic weight in the form of a table known as Mendeleev periodic table. This classification had many defects and were later modified by Henry Moseley. So he devised the periodic table and was best known for his discovery of the periodic table. Now we next discuss about Antony von Lavoisier. Antony von Lavoisier was a French scientist. He born in 1743. He recognized and named oxygen in 1778, and later he discovered hydrogen in 1783. Antony von Lavoisier made so many important discoveries, and he is known as father of modern chemistry. Antony von Lavoisier known as father of modern chemistry. Lavoisier stated that air contains two gases. He said that one called oxygen that helps in combustion and breathing, whereas the other gas does not. He called the second gas azote, lifeless. Now it is called nitrogen. He didn't mind what a chemical reaction really was. His system of naming chemical compounds is still used today. Now we discuss about John Dalton. John Dalton was an English chemist, was an English scientist. He born in 1766. He complied his theory, Dalton atomic theory, in 1803. John Dalton was a British chemist. He is known for several discoveries. He is best known for the atomic theory of matter. He is best known for the atomic theory of matter. John Dalton believed that substances are made up of particles that cannot be divided. He called the particles atom. He stated that all the atoms of an element are exactly the same. Now we next discuss about von Helmont. He discovered carbon dioxide gas. He discovered carbon dioxide gas on heating charcoal in air. When he heated charcoal in air, he got carbon dioxide gas. Now we discuss next scientist is Glauber. Glauber. He first prepared hydrogen chloride gas. He firstly prepared hydrogen chloride gas from sodium chloride and concentrated sulfuric acid. We can say that when sodium chloride react with sulfuric acid to form hydrochloric gas. He later formed nitric acid from potassium nitrate and concentrated sulfuric acid. Now, here we discuss about Joseph Priestley. Joseph Priestley. He published his discovery of oxygen in 1775. He called the gas dephlogisticated air. He named it oxygen. He was the first person to dissolve the gas carbon dioxide in water. He was the first person to dissolve the gas carbon dioxide in water. He also investigated the gases hydrogen chloride, nitric acid, nitrogen dioxide, nitrous oxide, and etc. Now we discuss about Marie Curie. Marie Curie discovered radium and polonium. He received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1911. He received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1911 for her discovery of radium and polonium. He was able to isolate and study the compound and the nature of radium. Thank you, class.